Is your Choko vine running rampant but isn't producing any fruit? Well, don't let yourself go hungry. We're going to show you a delicious and easy dish that you can whip up while waiting for your fruit. And the best bit is, you can also do the same with your pumpkin vines. Yes, your pumpkin vines and leaves are also edible. Hi, it's Jan from Melbourne Foodforest. Thank you for visiting our channel. Now today I want to talk to you about Choko. And Choko is an old-fashioned vegetable that is making a comeback. You'll often also hear it referred to as chayote. It's a wonderful permaculture plant which performs many different functions, and it's one you'll want to be growing in your backyard. So one of the functions it's providing here in our yard is vital shade for our chicken coop and our chicken run from the harsh afternoon sun in summer. And we also enjoy the cooler temperatures and the dappled light under its canopy. Now, a second function that it provides is it produces fruit. Delicious avocado sized but really knobbly looking gnarly fruit, which is yummy raw or cooked in dishes. It is such a prolific producer of fruit that once it gets going, it really is a pandemic vegetable. You'll be sharing it with your whole neighbourhood. Now, as you can see here, our vine has yet to produce any fruit. Choko is really a warm climate tropic plant. It thrives in those conditions. In our cooler temperate conditions, Choko may not produce fruit until late summer, even well into autumn and winter. So we've usually got a long wait to have a feed. So I want to show you one way you can make the most of your Choko plant while waiting rather impatiently for the fruit. Every single part of the Choko plant is edible. So from the leaves to the vine and of course the fruit. These tender new shoots are actually really delicious. They're not just an afterthought, but something to be showcased in a dish. And we're going to show you an easy and tasty dish that you can whip up using these tender shoots. And we'll feature a taste test at the end of the video from some of our harshest critics. If you don't have a Choko vine, no doubt you'll want to grow one after watching this. But you can also do the same with your pumpkin vines and your other vines like luffa. It's a great way to keep a rampant vine in check while also getting a feed for yourself. So let's get started.
yummy. Crunchy, sweet, and chewy. You want to eat the food, Panda? Naughty cat.